this is Ariel Subyuno. Salamat sa iko mamuni. Nakaton ko og save og naka-earn ko. Ug sa akong pag-appeal, nakatabang ko sa pag-protect sa atong earth. More power to this company.
Mamuni is a global community dedicated to environmental protection and resource conservation. The company focuses on a global environmental pieces, providing solutions that benefit everyone. By subscribing to their services, you are helping our planet while also earning money. The company's efforts aim not only to improve environmental quality, but also to raise awareness about environmental protection. In my experience as a recent member, I have earned money and gained knowledge and awareness about promoting environmental protection while completing my task. Overall, Economamuni greatly benefits people worldwide. Let's help and save our planet together.
Thank you, Economamuni, for the learnings and opportunity for having an extra income for helping and solving our environmental problems.
Thank you, Economamuni, for your dedication to have an environmental program. I look forward to your response and to learn more about how your recycling program making a positive impact to our environment. Thank you, Economamuni.
Thank you so much, Economamuni, for all the opportunities you've given to us. From being part of promoting our environmental protection, we learn also so many things, and most of all, we earn that can help us in our daily needs. More power to you, Economamuni.